Guys, what is going on? Welcome back to another video. So today we were in the state of Virginia. We were in Northern Virginia actually, and we were in Prince William County, and we were in the town of Occoquan. Now, if you're from Virginia or you grew up in Virginia or you're familiar with it and I said this wrong, take it easy on me, all right? I've been trying to pronounce it right for the longest time here. So anyway, I was in town, and I do have a follow-up video of a walkthrough of this town, so stay tuned for that, subscribe, and just stick around. We got that one coming up. But today we were in the River Mill Park, which resides inside the town of Occoquan, and let me tell you, cool little place to check out if you're ever in the area. So let's go check it out, and we'll see you at the end of the video. Don't forget to stay tuned for the follow-up video we have coming of the walkthrough of this town. All right, we'll see you soon.